Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Here is my special recipe for you today. This is called Sooji Appe, or you can call Sooji Appam. It's very quick and easy breakfast recipe, or it's a snack item. You can serve it with chutney or ketchup or any kind of side dish. So let's get started with the ingredients. For this quick and easy Sooji breakfast recipe, you need all these ingredients. Let's start with Sooji. This is 1 cup of Sooji, which is Rava. About 1 cup of water. We need some ghee. This is optional, you can have oil. Half a cup of yogurt. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Salt as per taste. Chopped onion, almost half a cup. Some grated carrot. Coriander, roughly chopped. Some ginger and 2 chilies. Some cumin seeds. And we need rice flour. This is half a cup of rice flour. And some oil. In a mixing bowl, you take 1 cup Sooji, half a cup of rice flour, and half a cup of yogurt. If you don't have yogurt, you can simply add lemon juice. Let's mix it. In this mixture, now add at least half a cup of water. Mix it well. Here you go, I have mixed this well, and now I'm going to cover it for 15 minutes. Setting. I'm going to do the tempering. 2 tablespoons of oil. Let's add cumin and green chili. And add onion. Add some ginger. You don't have to cook it thoroughly, but just saute. And some carrots. You can add any vegetables you would like. You can add bell peppers, some corns, anything like that. So I'm just adding carrot just for that color and texture. Saute it for 1 minute and turn the heat off. So while my Sooji is soaking here and this mixture is cooling off, let's make some green chutney. For easy green chutney, we just need coriander, 1 small piece of ginger, 1 green chili, some salt and fresh coconut. I'm going to grind it and our green chutney will be ready. In about 15 minutes, let's do rest of the recipe. Now my Sooji mixture is soaked well. Now add the mixture. We will add some coriander. Added some salt in it as well. So when you are ready to make the appam, you can add the baking soda, which is almost half a teaspoon. So I'm going to add it now since I'm going to do it now. And let's mix it well and see the consistency. We might need some water. Let's find out. So after mixing this well, this is how it looks. I think this is little thick, so let's add some more water, maybe less than 1/4 cup of water. And as you can see, now the batter is pouring consistency, and just like how we have idli batter. So this is the cookware I have for making appe or appam you call. I'm going to add 1 drop of ghee in each. My heat is medium low. So let's add about 1 tablespoon of batter in each compartment here. It's very quick and easy recipe, especially for the breakfast. If you have chopped vegetables ready, you can quickly do it, less than 15 minutes. All right, just like that. Now I'm going to cover it for 1 minute so that it's gonna cook it evenly and nicely. And in about 1 minute, I'm going to uncover this and let's see if it's done. Alright, so let's flip it to the other side so that this side will be cooked. Look at this. Beautiful. Alright, so now add 1 couple drops of ghee again, because ghee is gonna give us that lovely flavor. If you don't like ghee, you can add oil. So I'm not gonna cover it now, but just gonna wait for 1 minute or so and turn it to the other side again, and they're ready. Okay, so my serving plate is ready with me. Now let's see. Look at this, how beautiful they are. They are totally ready for us. You see, they are not sticking. Quick and easy. They are all nicely puffed up. So I'm going to remove it and do some more. Okay, here you go. So foodies, how easy that was, isn't it? This is so quick and easy. So just look at this, how beautifully round, and it didn't stick to the pan, as you see. So I'm ready to savor this. Are you? If you are, then make it home and enjoy. Thank you for watching my recipe. Thank you for visiting Foodland again. And like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. And my foodie friends, if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate that. I just took a bite and look at this. This is perfectly cooked. If you need some kind of Sooji recipe, something different, something new, this is it. Just make it home and enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye.